Hey guys, it's me Sumedha and I'm gonna show you the other part of the design. So let's start. But today we'll only do make two screens. Okay, the one we have done half and the other. Okay. Let me cut this one. This. Now we'll go to Google Chrome and I've chosen my account. Now we'll search code.org. Then sign in. And then we'll go to multipurpose calculator. So we have done this, make this screen, we have done this screen of Celsius and Fahrenheit, and now we'll make this screen and we'll do on the screen also. Okay, this one and another screen. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, so we'll first change the button. It should be this one. Okay, H, and this one. Okay, forward something. Calculate. K and P. Meter CH 2 and miles. Okay. This is the one and we'll make it bigger. Okay, here. And this one button. Miles. And here we'll write calculate miles ph to kilometer ph. So our buttons are done. I think we'll do 3 space. I don't know how much we can do. Yeah. And here we'll add this icon, the other icons here. House icon, okay, this one. Yeah. So now we'll add one more screen. So okay, we'll name the screen as K and P H and S. Okay, so we'll do this. Okay, wait, let me just change this one. Okay, done. And now we'll add the same things. Oh, actually, text input, 2 text input, 2 buttons. Okay, actually 3 buttons. Image. We'll change this one to rubber. This one, okay. First we'll choose the icon here. Now we'll change the buttons. First we'll write in the text placeholder should be text input K and PH. And this one should be K and PH. Okay. Okay. We write kilometer pH and make the center, and font size should be 19. Yeah, this one should be meter PS, and it should be meter PS. Okay, actually meters. Yeah, and now we'll change the font size to 19. Wait, sorry. Yeah, and text alignment center. What was it? Now we'll name the buttons. Buttons should be K and M, and it's negative to calculate 8 kilometer PH to meters PS, and we'll make it bigger. And this button also same. Okay, we'll name it miles. Okay, we'll name it M2 K, and the buttons we calculate. Calculate meters. Meters to kilometer. Actually, meters PS to kilometer PH. Okay, done. And now we'll make this. Yeah. Okay. So I've done the screens, and this is for today only, and the other parts I'll show in the next video. So bye for now. See you in the next video, and stay tuned. Wait, you have to save it, or shall this? Let's save it. Okay, save it. Yeah, done. Now cut it.